Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your UPS package is lost or stuck or not moving, this video will show you exactly how to start an investigation and get your issue resolved in 2026. So first of all, you need to confirm that your package is actually lost. You can check the tracking status carefully. If there has been no update for more than 48 to 72 hours or it shows delayed without any movement, then you can basically start an investigation. Now, in order to start the investigation, you just have to simply gather all the required details. You will need your tracking number, the shipping date, the sender and the receiver's details, and the value of the package. So you need to keep everything ready before starting the claim. Now you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for WPS. So you need to basically come here on the official website of WPS. You can also follow the same steps in the WPS mobile application. So here simply click on the option of tracking. Then you need to simply open the tracking page. Now over here you need to look for the option of report a problem. So when you are able to find the report a problem, simply just look for the option of file a reclaim. Then you can start a lost package investigation from here. So if you are the receiver, you may not always be able to file the claim. In many cases, only the sender can start the investigation. So you can contact the seller or shipper or ask them to basically initiate it. So once your investigation starts, UPS will search their network. This usually takes around 5 to 10 business days. During this time, they are going to check the warehouses, transit points, and delivery scans. If the package is found, it will continue moving to your address. If it is confirmed loss, UPS will process a claim based on the declared value of the shipment. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.